Vegans, rejoice! Because we have another vegan recipe! Hello and welcome to Student Meals. In this episode I will show you how to make a super delicious hummus pasta. It's creamy, it's delicious, it's easy, it's fast, it's vegan, it's pasta. I hope that you enjoy this episode. So the ingredients are the pasta of your choice. I have some capellini here, enough for 2 people. Hummus, about 200 grams. Some of the water where you cooked your pasta in. Basically a 1-to-1 ratio to your hummus. If you have 200 grams of hummus, you'll need 200 milliliters of pasta water. This is basically all that you need for a hummus pasta, but of course you can add more ingredients to spice things up. I'm going to be using some cherry tomatoes, 1 onion, which I've sliced up, 1 garlic pressed, some oregano and some basil, and finally some pepper and some salt to taste. First of all, take a pan and add some olive oil in there. Put it on a fire and let it get hot. Once the oil is hot, add in your onions and let them fry for a minute or 2. Halfway through, season it with some oregano and some basil. Give it another good stir. Add your garlic. Let it fry for about 30 seconds. Make sure not to over fry your garlic, because otherwise it will become bitter. Now add your hummus and the water. And keep on stirring until your hummus and the water have combined nicely. There we go. Look at it. Nice and smooth. And now I'm going to add the pasta. Flop. Give it a really thorough stir.
It's so weird because it looks like a cheese sauce, but I know it isn't.
It's called vegetarianism.
What?
It's veganism.
Veganism?
Right. And here come the cherry tomatoes. I like when my cherry tomatoes are still a bit fresh, but if you want them to be more incorporated with the sauce, you can pretty much add them at the same time as the onions, so that they become nice and toasty. Let's have a quick taste. The hummus that I got from the supermarket was already pretty seasoned, so I'm not going to add any extra salt or pepper. So I advise you just to taste and adjust to your personal preference. And now, let's serve it up.
Time for test! Pasta. Medium. So nice and creamy. Oh, I really like this because it's like creamy. You taste the hummus, but also the extra seasoning that Leo did. So it's not just hummus, but
Oh jeez. You okay?
Yeah. So it's not just hummus, but you really taste. I think there's spaghetti stuck in my throat. Where was I? So basically I think what I was saying is that you don't just taste plain hummus, but you taste all of the extra ingredients, and the tomatoes are a very nice extra touch to it. I can imagine it also being very delicious with spinach, broccoli, even like maybe some bacon if you want to make it non-vegan. So yeah, thank you for watching, you guys. We hope you enjoyed this episode, and as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!